They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
Hola todo el mundo que estamos ahí. Hello everybody. So today I'm bringing you an unboxing of these right here. These are special to me personally because they are Dominican Air Force Ones. Un saludo a todos mis dominicanos que están por ahí. A los primos que están mirando. Todo el mundo coge lo suave. Estamos aquí tranquilos en la área donde estamos. Todo el mundo que está viendo esto ahora mismo, ustedes son de lo mío. Coincidentally, de lo mío. That's the name of the style of the shoe. Shout out to Peralta. Peralta out of New York is the artist that designed these. These are very special to the Dominican culture. A lot of people in Dominican Republic are speaking upon this shoe currently. And it's a special moment, man. So shout out to him and shout out to everybody who's excited for these as much as I am. So let's get right to it. Aquí vamos. Ay, ay, ay. Wow. Tira eso por ahí. Ahí mismo en vivo y en activo. Ahora estamos hablando. Espérase. Special boxing. The box itself is Dominican flag. Me personally, I was not expecting this. I didn't even see photos of this being the actual packaging. Wow. The entire box is a Dominican flag. Dominican Republic. Shout out to all the Dominicans watching this. De la gente para la gente. From the people to the people. For the people, from the people. Wow. So these are definitely close to home. These are special. Shout out to Nike doing this. We need to see these to be done more. Okay, so let's get to the actual unboxing of the box. Ahí vamos. So here we have a little note. From Washington Heights and Grand Concourse to Corona and the south side of Williamsburg, we came to New York, in search of the American dream and discovered much more than that. We found home. We brought our culture here. The dembow, merengue, blaring out of the speakers, the noise on the block, the aroma cafe and fritura. We made Uptown our mini Dominican Republic, DR. The community gathering in front of bodegas and chimney trucks, the frios, people playing dominoes because it's more than a game for us. It's a rite of passage, an integral part of the culture that transcends age and class, a way of life. We came here wanting to be one. We want to represent. We want to stand out. We worked hard to create opportunities so more of our people could get their turn to fulfill their dreams. We are proud of our people, of our island, of our culture. Somos Dominicanos, de lo mío. And in the back is in Spanish. Wow, Peralta, you outdid yourself. Pa la gente de la gente. De la gente para la gente. Wow. Ahí estamos. You guys can see, it's a little Velcro, reflective color. So one angle is red and one angle is blue. Pretty cool idea. In the back, you have República. And the other one is Dominicana. Very fascinating. Clear bottoms. Clear sole bottoms. Very clear sole. And in the front, here you have this good smooth texture, softer than the regular Air Force One plain white. And the laces, there you have the laces, also themselves special. It's like a kind of like a rope, kind of intertwined red and blue. I've never seen laces like this before. These are pretty cool laces. Inside you have the blue Nike Air sole. These are special, man. Special shoe here. Mío. Same size, same design, same color. Different tongue look. This tongue now is red, has a little red Nike sign. And here on this one we have the extra laces. Blue laces, amazing laces. Look at these laces. And we also have the red laces. And the white laces. This time we have the red. instead of the blue. Special little treat, a bag of dominoes, because it's part of Dominican culture to play dominoes. Let me take one out, that way you guys can see specifically what's happening. You can attach these to the laces. The laces go through the little holes, and you can rock these on your laces. You know, I'm pretty sure they probably brought a whole domino set. Genius effort in the actual going forward about this, designing the shoe and actually executing it. Says a lot about you, man. It says a lot about Nike as well. Shout out to Nike. They're doing a very amazing job. From the Colin Kaepernick thing to this, all within a matter of 2 months, I would say they're on top of their game they ever been. Un saludo a todos mis dominicanos también viendo esto ahora mismo. Sabe que esto te está dando duro. Y ahora estamos en el pavo. O sea que tienen que tener cuidado con esto. Esto es gasolina. ¡Llegó el pavo! Recuérdense, everybody out there, if you are an owner of these shoes, they do not come with a complimentary bar of jabón de cuava, but you can and should definitely buy your own 2-pack bar, because that's what you will clean these shoes with. Jabón de cuava. If you know, you know. Jabón de cuava, the one and only way. Un saludo a todos mis dominicanos otra vez. Sound from Complex Ambition, desde Complex Ambition al mundo. Ambición complicada.
Oh man.